god, what the fuck? Holy shit, did you get that on camera?
Yeah, I got that on camera.
Oh my fucking god, no! No!
Do you ever feel like you're being watched?
Yeah, your
What?
mum watches me all the time. What? Hey mum.
Pretend you're driving on track, listening to J Chow. What are you doing?
I'm putting the cars into 920 yen, so...
Wait, what? I thought the bolsters were pretty good, but he wants more.
So we actually want bucket seats into this i20. Pretty much a dedicated track car at this stage, so... Because these are a pretty big build, and then the guy slides around in the seats and the bolsters aren't nice enough. This itself, obviously, the car seat, just holds better. And at least then, in the future, if he wants to put the harness in, then he can also use it with the 4-point harness, because 1, 2, 3, 4. Long story short, he provided me with a universal bracket set that has a base plate and everything like that, but I'm not going to use it this time. So what I'm doing, I'm custom creating the brackets to bolt directly to the car. So it's basically a bolt in, bolt out kind of thing.
And you can still use the factory seats if you want to, right? So it's just, these are made for this car.
So now this rail setup will be dedicated for this seat for this car.
After how many hours of welding and adjusting and...
Yes.
It is nice. Bro, I like the seating position. Low as. Hectic, bro.
And there's nice
Right.
sitting backwards and forwards.
Does it hug
Especially
you
when
in?
you're single, you just don't want to hug you, bro. J Chow, bro, it's good.
Wait, pretend you're driving on track, listening to J Chow.
What a banger, bro. I actually like this.
It feels nice too.
When you don't mind that.
Wait, I want to sit in there.
Bro, it's nice.
It's so low.
But that's what you want.
I know. Holy.
You want that shit, bro. You want it? Derek got it.
It's actually nice.
You want it? Derek
Like,
got
it hugs you perfectly at the... You don't want slump here.
I don't know, it's a bit too small for me.
It's nice, I like it.
Yeah, it's actually very nice.
It's actually in the center.
You do need the rails though. Without the rails, it's so
It's actually in the center as well, because sometimes you're like on this side.
That's why I specifically mentioned to him, I need you to sit in the seat and tell me if it's center or not.
It's you folded these onto those.
So these are...
Oh, did you paint it black as well?
Bro.
Nah, the weld comes out black for this particular material.
Wait, Fong, you gone?
Oh shit. Hey guys.
After much complication, finally laid the side on. Actually looks pretty good.
It actually worked out that we fucked up. We didn't fuck up. It was misprinted. So it gave me a chance to figure out how to do it with the side skirt and shit. So what I actually ended up doing was running this tape on the bottom here, and then up to where that line is there.
Oh, yeah.
And then I took the side skirt off, and then actually wrapped all the door in every quarter. And then I put the side skirt back on, and then use that excess wrap that I chopped off, and then lined it up manually. But honestly, there was no other possible way. Trying to lay this all in one piece is just impossible. Not happening.
The background, the text, and then the girl.
This car's overheating, but it's bone cold. What does that mean?
It's overheating.
But it's bone cold.
Thermostat's not opening.
I just said it's bone cold.
Sensor.
Yeah.
Bro, it's Monday morning, bro. My sensors aren't working.
Clearly. Anyways, so basically what I'm going to find out now is which sensor is basic shorted. So there's two sensors.
Yep.
There's one for the lower radiator hose and there's one for the cylinder block.
Yep.
But the moment I turn the car on, it goes to 130 degrees. So that means one of the sensors is cooked. Because this engine is 20 degrees, but the car's at 130, so it means it's a dead short in the sensor. So I just got to identify which one wire the cancel and then go from there.
Yo, this ain't the workshop.
Yeah, bro. doing a custom delivery on a fucking box. So hit me up if you want me to wrap your box.
Wait.
Wait.
I must be flying this.
This is not enough that go products, right? Because there's so many moving parts to it. So it's not something you can sell. Even if you sell. So you want to go eight?
Is this your proudest rap? Damn. Almost there.
Hey bro, what do you do for a living?
I sell pics.
Oh my god. So, I'm from the School of Hard Knocks. I go around to rich people and ask them what they do for a living. So what do you do for a living?
I'm not that rich, so go ask someone else.
I go ask Rich.
I'm poor.
It is almost 10 p.m. Tuesday night. Me, Derek, and Paul are still at work. Finish a midway in the studio, but really cool. Now you can control it through the app. It has a bunch of modes. I could not even give you a number, but there's a lot of modes. Derek finished putting in a secondary fuel tank in his Lexus, and he's done with the 86 livery wrap. But he's still scanning this Expel, whatever. Is this an Expel?
It's a Polestar.
Pulsar, like N16 Pulsar. This is a Pulsar.
Polestar 4. So we put on the story that we're having an impromptu cruise. Let me show you guys the story. That's the story, yeah. We've had two people come through, but don't know if they're actually coming. So it could just be me, you, Ryan, and Andy and Ray. So it could just be the four of us. But
Or
if
could
we
be
see
100
more
of
of you
us.
guys, it's gonna be fucking hectic.
Oh, we're about to start, bro. We're ready to rock and roll out here. And what's more Japanese than a Lexus right now? LC 500. Wow, look at him go. Hopefully that's the actual race car out here. And then we've got the young guy, the young gun, who's put a house deposit in that car. We're on here. Oh my god, I'm so dark you can't even see me. Look at my, can you see my teeth? You can just see my teeth. Bro, that was on camera. Oh, it's the race car.
Yeah, it's a race car.
It's the race car. Oh shit. Oh, look at him. He's so happy. Yippee. Time to hunt. Time to hunt, fucking right.
He's trail braking too. Oh my god, let's go. Yeah, that car's pretty quick.
That car's a race car, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit.
That's the Asian swapper.
Guys, welcome to Melbourne's best kept secret. Here up in Mount Donovan Way, we have the best tasting spring water in all of Melbourne.
Oh my god. Oh shit. Wow. Oh, it's actually fucking really
Dude, I told you, bro,
Oh my
it's
God.
the best water in all of Melbourne, bro. Yeah?
Mejoishi, that's
We made it to the top of Mount Donna now.
literally
Just chilling, looking at the stars, looking at the moon. It's pretty hectic.
How many cars made it up?
I actually did not count how many cars we got.
12, I would say.
Let's go.
My front,
One,
my front
two,
side.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Maybe 12.
Oh, is he coming? Or?
There's no way.
He's
still putting his wheel back on.
Crazy.
So there was a Celica that was with us. Apparently his wheel came off before we got to the first stop.
And his front bar.
But we had no clue, we just kept going. So
You're robbing.
shout out to Mr. Celica. Sorry. But next time talk your wheels down.
We know a mechanic shop that can do it.
I'll hit up Derek from Millennium AUTOCARE. Right. Complimentary service, bro. Just talk these wheels down. What else? Oh, Ryan curbed. No, Ryan smacked a pothole and now his T is
There's a flat
full
spot.
dent in it. There's like a
Dude,
dent
I
in
just
it.
realized my car holds flames. It just holds a flame the whole time.
It holds it for a while.
And then if jets out at least 5 meters.
No, I didn't
And
realize-
5 litres
I didn't
of fuel,
notice
bro.
it, but in the mountain, the whole behind me was
It's
lit
just
up.
lit up.
At this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh my god, what the fuck? Holy shit, did you get that on camera?
Yeah, I got that on camera.
Oh my fucking god, no! 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 What the fuck? No! No! Oh no!
Oh no.
Oh shit!
Oh, no.
My brother! Bro, you fucked something, bro. Holy shit.
Bro.
Bro, you got it all on camera too, bro.
Oh my god. Oh shit. What the fuck just happened, bro? Bro.
Oh my god, God.
Fuck. Oh no. Two.
Oh, inspection hole.
Is it a hole in the block?
Yep. What is it? Inspection hole. Oh man.
Holy fucking catastrophic fuck, bro. Oh my god. Oh, it's gonna be a long night, man. This is gonna be a long night, bro.
Never thought it happened to me.
Holy shit, bro. This is law, bro. This is plot. This is why you don't miss out on a cruise.
Oh
I
my
feel so bad for you.
That's fucked.
This is just the reality of modding your car sometimes, you know? Like,
Bro, I actually like
rescue, bro. Cheap Val, 1 AM, bro. You drag this guy out from Northside to pick up this, bro. What a legend.
The tow hook's like way higher. It's like, and the inner cooler hangs lower than the tow hook too. Yeah, no, we're going to slow down.
Fuck a lot of fucking oil, man.
it's all of it. Bye, Ryan.
Bye-bye. See you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Shout out to Upton and Tully. Coming out fucking 2 in the morning, 1 in the morning. Let's get the fuck out of here, bro.
Whoa. What's going on here? See what the AUTOCARE team's doing today. What are you guys doing today? Why are you taking it out?
I'm gonna toy the Camry, putting some headers on.
But it's not Toyota Camry.
No, we've got a Corvette. It's a
Corvette.
It's a Corvette C8 convertible. We're doing headers and the full exhaust, so from headers back. Got the setup over there. We'll show you shortly.
So 1 eternity later, we finally have exhaust.
Ah, that is extremely loud. That's hectic.
Is that
like-
valves open,
that's
valves
like-
closed, or?
That's just, I don't know, but
There's
that's
American-
like very
Take
American
over
sounding. Like, you can feel it in your chest, so it's like, that's loud.
What thoughts?
Hectic. Hectic.
Out of 10? A bit loud.
9.2.
6 out of 7.
Pretty cool color for an Evo 9. I'll get Rich to talk through what he's doing on this after. Yeah, pretty cool color. It's an OEM color. Yep. OEM. O-N-M. I'm a bit late to the party, but
We're ready for prostate.
Japanese prostate. Explain what you're doing.
So today we're installing a full security package for this EVA 9. But before we do that, we're going to have to remove all the factory GPS tracker that's pretty much obsolete now. Remove all that, clean it up, get it prepped up for our installation. So it's very exciting. It's pretty rare to see a blue EVA 9. But this is an Australian delivered one too, I think.
But also, why are you wearing gloves?
Huh? Have a look here.
Ah, so factory harness.
Factory harness with the adhesive.
The adhesive tape, whatever.
Yeah, it's like 20 years old, and then like
Yeah.
it just sticks to you. It's so shit to work with. So once I remove this, clean it up, we should be able to have a clean installation.
Cool. Sounds like it's got compression.
Dude, you want to start the engine? Go. Put my energy into it. Bro. What are you gonna do about it? I'll try. Yeah.